At Expert Texting, we understand how stressful event management can be. Try mass texting with Expert Texting. It's easy, affordable, and reliable. Leslie runs her own event management company. She needs a way to make things more organized so she can focus on other aspects. She signs up to Expert Texting and finds it convenient. With Expert Texting, Leslie can make groups for mass texting. She manages her staff by sending them their daily tasks. She also pre-plans and schedules messages so her staff can remain in the loop. With the option of personalizing messages, she adds custom details for each employee. Leslie also uses Expert Texting to manage the guest list. She simply sends invites to the people interested in the event. The interested people RSVP with the two-way texting feature. She now schedules reminders leading up to the day of the event. To help with her business, she sends after-event messages and requests feedback. She uses this feedback to improve. With Expert Texting, you can manage internal communication and even send text invites. Subscribe to Expert Texting to know more. Or click here to watch the next video. And remember, just keep texting.